Regular oil change maximizes the efficiency of your AERZEN equipment. In the process of changing the oil on an AERZEN blower or compressor, it's important to take the necessary safety precautions. Suitable protective clothing should be worn, and you must ensure that the power is switched off and the control panel is safely isolated. Once the power is off, use the special key to unlock the front cover panels and store them aside safely. A discharge hose with a screw-on connector is included in the initial service kit from AERZEN provided with the machine. The discharge port is located at the front of the machine. Unscrew the plug, then securely attach the discharge hose, making sure it directs the oil into a suitable receptacle. Once the oil has been fully drained, remove the hose, refit the plug, and clean up any spilled oil with a suitable rag. Dispose of the waste oil and contaminated rags according to the applicable local waste regulations. Next, we will refill the oil. Utilize AERZEN original oil to ensure the best performance and operation. The oil bottles feature a built-in pour spout cap. If using other bottle models, a funnel is included in the service kit. Unscrew the cap of the oil filler bottle, located at the front of the machine, and retain the cap. Using the pour spout, fill the oil and ensure the correct volume is introduced. Watch the oil sight glass on the machine's front. This may take some time to settle correctly. The oil level must indicate between the max and min lines. Also, check the level in the oil sight glasses inside and make sure it indicates the center. Once the oil is filled, securely fasten the cap and refit the cover panels. The power can now be connected, and the machine can run safely. Our after-sales team in your region is ready to support you. Let's talk.
Expect performance.